Hello everyone, welcome back to Faber's Kitchen. Today we are making potatoes and baked juicy chicken, guys. This is a simple but delicious recipe that I would love to share with you. So let's get started. I've already washed and cleaned my chicken nicely and it's well scalded. I'm adding my honey and then I'll go ahead and add my olive oil, okay, to create that glossiness for the chicken. I'm adding my mixed herbs and I love this herbs so much. It makes my chicken beautiful and so tasty. I'm adding my paprika because I want that heat in my chicken and I also want that funny smell all gone. I'm going ahead to add my chicken seasoning and also I'm going ahead to add my ginger and garlic powder. Okay, guys, I'm going ahead to add my Cajun chicken seasoning. Oh my goodness. And now I'm adding my cooking wine because I want more flavor on this chicken as well as I want it to taste beautiful. I'm adding my mixed peppercorns. Okay, and this is going to be so super tasty, guys, because of all the aromatic, beautiful seasonings I'm throwing on the chicken. Don't forget to give this a try. You will love this amazing recipe. So now let's mix and coat our chicken nicely with the amazing seasoning. Make sure to just lift the skin up and then put out the seasoning under the skin, okay? So that the chicken will taste amazing, okay? That's what I'm doing. Always try and do this to get an amazing chicken, okay? So guys, if you are new on my channel and you're loving this recipe so far, please give your girl a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more appetizing and amazing recipes. And to all my OGs, thank you all for returning. Thank you for the support and love. And please don't forget to also share, comment, and recommend the channel to friends and families who may be interested in my recipes. So now guys, we are all done coating our chicken nicely. Let it marinate for some minutes and then we will come back to it. So now I'm going to leave this in the fridge for about an hour to 2 hours, okay? And it's always better to even do it overnight and do this in the morning or in the afternoon or evening. This will allow it to marinate properly, okay? So now I'm going to just focus on our potatoes for now. I'm adding my chicken seasoning, okay? And then a little bit of the paprika powder, my minced ginger and garlic, okay? And then my red, yellow, and green bell peppers. Also adding my carrot, broccoli, and red onions and a little bit of olive oil again to create that glossiness, okay, on the potatoes. I'm adding my salt to taste, okay. So now let's just mix everything up properly and beautifully. This smells so amazing already. I cannot wait to finish the whole meal and enjoy. It's now time to transfer the potatoes into the roaster. This is already smelling amazing. Wow. I love the beautiful aroma. And guys, just give this a try and you will love it. Okay, so now our chicken is back from the fridge. We're going to just put it on top of our potatoes. And in no time, our lunch, our supper, or our dinner will be ready. I love this beautiful, simple one pot recipe. It's so quick, it's so easy, but guys, the recipe is what makes the big difference. So give this recipe a try and you know that indeed this is an amazing recipe. You will never regret it. Okay, so you're going to put this in the oven for about 45 minutes, but make sure to check on it from time to time in order not to burn it. Okay, so now it's time for us to just use our buster to collect some of the juice from the roaster and then put it back on the chicken. Okay, The chicken has already released its beautiful juices on the potatoes and it's smelling so good. So now we are just turning the other side of the chicken for it to also bake nicely. This is so aromatic. I love the beautiful aroma in my kitchen right now. Have you given your girl a big thumbs up yet? And are you enjoying this video yet? If you are, please don't forget to just give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video for others to see this amazing recipe. And also, if you are new, hey, you are warmly welcome. Please don't forget to click on the red subscribe button. Click on the bell button to join this beautiful family and you will never ever regret it. Okay, so now guys, the whole chicken and potatoes is going back into the oven for it to bake properly until it's well done. Okay, so we are back and everything is nicely done. Guys, it smells so beautiful and you can always enjoy your potatoes with your amazing chicken gravy. Thank you all for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good and enjoy. Bye, your kiss.